Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Listen closely to the simplest deletion controls on most keyboards. Backspace removes characters before the caret position one at a time. The delete key removes characters after the caret position one at a time. Use Ctrl plus backspace to delete the previous word in many apps quickly. Use Ctrl plus delete to remove the entire word after the caret without selecting it. Double-click a word to select it immediately for deletion or edits. Hold backspace or delete to repeat removal with built-in key repeat. Master selection shortcuts to remove words faster and safer. Double-click a word to select it immediately for deletion or replacement. Hold Shift and use arrow keys to expand character-by-character selection before deleting. Hold Ctrl and Shift, then press arrow to select text one word at a time precisely. On Windows, use Ctrl plus A to select all text in a field before pressing delete. Remember that selection lets you review text before committing removal or replacement with new words. Adjust platform shortcuts and undo features to fix mistakes instantly. On Mac, use Option plus Delete to remove the previous word quickly and Command plus Delete to remove to the line start. On Windows, most apps use Ctrl plus Backspace and Ctrl plus Delete for word-level removal. Press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z to undo accidental deletions immediately after they occur. Check keyboard or system settings to turn off or adjust autocorrect that may change or remove words unexpectedly. Use an external text editor for bulk edits, then paste corrected text back into the original app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.